Hello everyone, I love Red 65 here again for episode 3, I believe, of Deltarune. So this is where we left off the last time, and I'm going to move my cursor out of the way so it's not annoying. But I'm going to go progress down here. Oh, there's no music. I thought there was music. I love the effect though, listen. I love the walking effect. At times, you see it flickering. The light only you can see. By second nature, you reach out and save Kara. Whoa! Oh, wait a second. Wait, that's weird. Wait. Is it supposed to do that? Oh, what you call... Okay, that confused me. It's what you call the creator, okay. I was gonna say that's some weird glitch. I forgot I called my creator Kara. Oh, the music. Well, these things are weird. They make weird noises. This is awesome. I love it. And there's going to be like a weird battle sequence soon, and I'm probably going to die like a lot, but... Oh, I saw that! I saw you up there! I'm pretty sure that was Lancer. I don't know. I think it's Lancer anyway. These are creepy. They don't... It's too dark to see anything. Does it say this to this? Okay, you can't actually interact with those. Say it for these. It's too dark to see anything, yeah. I saw that up there! I saw that up here, Mr. Lancer. Unless it's Susie being a freak again. I love you, Susie. Is there anything down here? That looks like a face, that's really weird. Is there anything down here? I don't know what that is, that's really creeping me out. I'm just gonna ignore that for now. Looks like a dog's face, like a really weird dog face. Oh, these things affect damage, oh dear. Ah! Danger! Danger. I've never actually played the real Undertale, so this is just kind of me, like, you know... Oh, here's another save point. You bathe your body in the light. You probably can't see, like, some of the text box, like, around there, because, my webcam's covering it, so I apologise. A power shines within you, breaking through the darkness. Any pain you may have had melted away, HP fully restored. Eye puzzle. In this land, only eyes blinded by darkness can see the way. I can't remember how this is done. Oh, okay. That's annoying. Is it this one? There you go. Oh, you had to, like, okay. Let's see. Oh, am I gonna die down here? Will I find Susie down here again? Ooh, what are these? Wait, did I just... Listen to the sound it makes. This is really creepy. I saw that! I saw that you again. Don't make me come in there. Oh, it's Susie. Hey, back off. Come any closer and I'll... Wimp. Chris? Phew. What a wimp. I'm joking, I love you, Susie. Hey, don't scare me like that, dumbass. Unless you want to get clocked in the face. Heh. Doubt you touch me. You know. You wouldn't even eat my face off. Anyway, enough screwing around. We've got to find a way out of here. You don't say. Where is here anyway? It doesn't matter. You got us into this mess. You get us out. Actually, you got us into this mess by eating all the chalk. Because you didn't eat this stupid chalk, this wouldn't have happened. Lead the way, Chris. Okay, then. Oh my god, never mind. You walk way too slow. Thanks, Susie. Oh no. Oh no. It's this next bit, I think, where it's a little, fight scene thing. Hi, Susie, baby girl. Hi, girl. Hey Chris, there's someone up there waving at us. Any idea what they want? Hi Lancer. Oh no. 9. Run, Chris. Oh dear. Oh no. Oh, puppy. Oh dear. Ah. Ah. Ah! Ah! Lancer, go away. I love you, but leave me alone. Oh, it's really messing with my eyes. Like, I have really bad, like, sore eyes. So I really shouldn't be playing this. Because, like, it's bad. My eyeballs! Oh dear, I just nearly got hit. Lancer, love me. Lancer, love me. Hi, Susie. Chris, down here. You're leading me to death, aren't you, Susie? Ah! Ah! Woo! Spicy, 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 spicy. Oh dear. No, 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 no. Oh no. How did I? Did I get hit there? I'm gonna suck at all these battles, man. Can I not do anything with this? Absolutely nothing. Okay. Oh, this music. Oh, I'm sorry. I just love it. Oh, you're not dead. Sweet. Thanks. Okay. Got any idea what the heck this place is? Me neither. Wonder if there's anyone in that building up there. What does this say? It looks like a shop, but the door is locked and no one's inside. It's locked. This kind of look like Napstablook's house. Or inn, it says at the top. It's locked. Are these just all locked? It's locked. Oh, there's a save point up here. In front of you, a castle looms beneath the empty town. A black geyser? I don't know how you say that. Emerges from it, piercing endlessly into the sky. The power of this place shines within you. Castle town. Okay. Ooh, spooky. A castle? The hell is there a castle inside a supply closet? Welcome, heroes. I think I know who this is, but at the same time I don't. So if you guys actually know who this is, please let me know. Who's there? Do not be alarmed. I am not your enemy. Is this rules card? Please come forward, both of you. Oh no, it's Ralsei. Ignore me, never mind. I forgot it was Ralsei. Welcome, I am the prince of this kingdom. The kingdom of darkness. Chris, Susie, there is a legend in this land. A legend that one day, 2 heroes of the light will arrive and fulfill the ancient prophecy foretold by time and space. Please, heroes, listen to my tale. I'll listen to you, Ralsei. Very well then. Oh, here we go. Once upon a time, a legend was whispered among shadows. Oh, it's music, man. It was a legend of hope. It was a legend of dreams. It was a legend of light. It was a legend of dark. This is the legend of Deltarune. For millennia, light and dark have lived in balance, bringing peace to the world. But if this harmony were to shatter, that kind of looks like Chris and Lancer. A terrible calamity would occur. The sky will run black with terror, and the land will crack with fear. Then, her heart pounding, the earth will draw her final breath. Only then, shining with hope, 3 heroes appear at World's Edge. A human, a monster, and a prince from the dark. Only they can seal the fountains and banish the angels' heaven. Only then will balance be restored and the world saved from destruction. Oh, I love this music. Oh, boy. Today, the Fountain of Darkness, the geyser that gives this land form, stands tall at the centre of the kingdom. But recently, another fountain has appeared on the horizon. And with it, the balance of light and dark begins to shift. Oh, damn. Chris, Susie, thank you for listening to my long tale. It wasn't that long. I deeply believe you two are the heroes of the legend. That despite whatever enemies you may face, you two have the courage to save the world. Delta warriors, please, won't you accept your destiny? Yes, of course I will. Nah. What? Me? Some kind of hero or something? You've got the wrong person. But Susie, without you, the world will... So what if the world gets destroyed? It's none of my damn business. Rude! It might even be kind of fun, honestly. He's just like, wow, I'm so disappointed in you. Anyway, Chris, if you want to play pretend with this weirdo, stick around. I'm going to find a way out of here. Susie, wait. Boom! Hi, Lancer. Oh, this is my favourite song. Sorry. Ho ho ho, you sound like a baby Santa Claus. The heroes are already running away. And they didn't even know I was here. My dad's gonna make me son of the month. Aww. Who the hell are you? I'm the bad guy. You clowns want to see our dark fountain, huh? And still picturing you guys as clowns. Save the world from eternal darkness, huh? Don't try to deny it. We both know you'll go east. It's your only way home. Thanks for giving us the information there. But I, Lancer, won't let you go there. And I've got a flawless two-step plan to ensure it. Step 1, I thrash you. Step 2, you lose. Nice plan, kid. But really? Oh, he's so cute! I just want to give him a cuddle. Aw. Yeah, actually. Mind if we use it on you instead? Susie! Silly little kid, leave me. Leave me alone. Oh! Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Ah, Lancer. Compliment. You tell Lancer you can't tell the difference between his clothes and his body. He seems flattered. His attack power went down. Susie! Oh, you make my feelings do wheelies, sweet wheelies. Whoa! Don't know how I got an axe like that. I don't know how I got an axe, but like, that's cool. He tries to compliment Lancer again, but he sees it as insincere. His attack goes, his power goes up. Susie, stop attacking me, little kid, okay? Did you not realise I can mask my self-esteem levels? Whoa! Whoa, I didn't see that coming. Lancer is thinking about this. I'm going to warn him about Susie so he doesn't die. You tell Lancer to watch out for Susie's attack. He readies himself. Nah. So what are you guys doing after this? And that note, I know it's in the middle of a battle, but I'll probably like record straight away after this because oh, Lancer, I love him. But I'm gonna probably just end the video here because I'm coming up to the 15-minute mark and I don't want it to like end in the middle of my video. So I will leave this video here. I'm just gonna act one more time. You compliment Lancer, he gets confused as to your sincerity. Instead of going up or down, his attack power goes sideways. I'm gonna see if I can stop my personality too deep. So yeah, I'm gonna end the video. Whoa, here. Ah! Oh dear. Bye!